Action words. Brushing. The girl is brushing. Bathing. The boy is bathing. Eating. The boy is eating. Sleeping. The girl is sleeping. Studying. The boy is studying. Reading. The girl is reading. Writing. The girl is writing. Praying. The children are praying. Laughing. The children are laughing. Crying. The boy is crying. Smiling. The boy is smiling. Sitting. The girl is sitting. Running. The girl is running. Walking. The boy is walking. Jumping. The girl is jumping. Dancing. The girl is dancing. Swimming. The girl is swimming. Climbing. The boy is climbing. Clapping. The boy is clapping. Washing. The boy is washing. Cleaning. The boy is cleaning. Helping. The boy is helping. Saving. The girl is saving. Kicking. The boy is kicking. Catching. The boy is catching. Skipping. The girl is skipping. Yawning. The boy is yawning. Hugging. The boy is hugging.